Alright everybody, how y'all doing and welcome back to my channel. I am here to unbox the Knox Gear dual aluminum speaker stand. Is going to raise the speakers above your desk by 9 inches, which is good. It brings everything up to your ear level. One thing I like about it, presentation is always a good plus. Got the picture of the box so you can see what the stands look like. You know, on the side, your SKU number, see what the stand look like. Now you can barely read that there on the side, but I'll go over it with you. Aluminum construction, easy mounting, argument sound, professional class. And you cannot go wrong with it. Same thing. So if you're in the store, you see these speaker stands, they are good to go. And you say, hey, I like the product, look at the presentation. You see what the presentation is all about. And you can purchase them. That's one thing I like about manufacturers that put pictures on products, because you see it, you can purchase it without opening the box. As you see here, somebody opened it, the glue's all just been dismantled. But I'm not worrying about that. Let's get into the unboxing. What's inside the box? What you get is 2 speaker stands. Go ahead and open up one for you so you can go ahead and see the product presentation itself. Yes, now you can see the product presentation yourself. Nice speaker stands, very big. I ain't expect them to be this big, but it's not bad to get them from Amazon for $19.99. Yes, they do have other brands made differently. Some of them have tripods. Those cost a little more. But if you are on a budget, you don't want to break the pocket with speaker stands, these work for you. As you see, it is exactly right, 9 inches off the desk. And when you add your speaker to it, give you a good presentation over here. Yes, as you can see, it raised that baby up perfectly. Here, instead of having it low as you saw, it brings it up. So now I got the speakers at ear level, so I can go ahead and hear my sounds perfectly and clearly instead of hearing it low, below ear level, and everything is working out great for that. Yes, that is looking good. That is looking nice. I like it. Now, will I recommend these here? Absolutely. If you're on the budget and you don't want to spend over $50 for some speaker stands, for $19.99, this works for you. As you see, I got my Crowsley's S200 raised up perfectly. The stands, I put them on the desk. They look good. I tried it out already. It's not a problem, but for $19.99, you cannot go wrong with it. Now, I already wanted to raise my speaker stands, my speakers up to a level where I'm comfortable at and listening to it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and be doing a final picture presentation. I'm gonna do the before and I'm gonna do the after. But other than that, Knox Gear, you cannot go wrong with them. They're great. They're good quality. Yes, the metal is good quality. So yes, you cannot go wrong with it. You got some room back here, cut us for some cable management as well. So you cannot go wrong with that there. So everything works out great. So now, like I said, I will recommend these for people who do not want to spend more money on speaker stands for your desktop. I will be putting a link in the description below of Knox Gear. You can check their website out. I'll be putting the buying information link off Amazon. So if you want to go ahead and purchase them, you can go ahead and purchase them. But I will recommend these to people Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking to you. If you are interested in raising your speakers up to ear level, about 9 inches, this is by basically going more than what I expected. Let me go ahead and do a measurement of it right quick to go ahead on and see how far this is off the ground. Yep, the stand does reach about 9 inches, but when you add your speakers up to it, you are over 19 inches. Yes, almost going to 2 feet off the ground. So yes, this raises up about 19 inches, as you see right there. It's touching 19 inches, so you cannot go wrong with that. So yes, it raises it up completely with the speakers on. It's 19 inches off the desk, 9 inches just to stand alone. So you add another 10 inches in height, that gives a total of 19 inches. Yes, these babies are towering, and I love it. I want to thank y'all for watching. Just like I said, I'll be putting the link in the description below. If you would like to purchase some crow's leaves, I'll be putting that link in the description below as well. If you're on the budget, you don't want to spend no more than $130 for some speakers, then I'll go ahead and put an alternative in the description below for you. But great sounding speakers. I love them. I do have my EQ on, so yes, they're very bassy. And the clarity of it is good if you have your EQ set right. If you don't have no EQ set on your computer, then the sound will be perfect. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.